Hi guys! Today, let's talk about a serious financial crime that many people fall into without even realizing. Digital Hawala. You may have heard of Hawala, a system where money is transferred without using banks, relying on trust-based networks. But with the rise of digital transactions, criminals have taken this illegal method online, making it even harder to track. How does digital Hawala work? Imagine a cybercriminal wants to move black money or scam funds across borders without leaving a trace. Instead of physically moving cash, they use innocent people's bank accounts or digital wallets to transfer money under false pretense. Let's look at an example scenario. Imagine a businessman, Raj, who runs a small import-export business. One day, he receives a message from a foreign client offering a special deal. We'll deposit money into your account. You just need to transfer it to our partner. You'll earn a commission. Thinking it's a great business opportunity, Raj agrees. Soon, large sums of money start coming into his account, and he forwards them as instructed. A few weeks later, Raj's bank account is frozen, and the authorities question him for being part of an illegal money laundering network. He unknowingly became a part of digital Hawala. How cybercriminals operate digital Hawala? Cybercriminals use legitimate business bank accounts as money mules to move illegal funds, making transactions appear genuine. Many convert black money into cryptocurrencies to hide its source and avoid detection. Fraudsters also set up fake international trade deals, using business transactions as a front for money laundering. They create shell companies that exist only on paper, allowing them to transfer illicit money under the guise of legal trade and services. How to stay protected? Never accept or transfer money on behalf of someone you don't know. Research businesses, individuals, or clients before making financial deals. Always stick to official banking channels and avoid unverified payment apps. Digital Hawala is a serious crime, and even unknowingly being involved can lead to huge legal trouble. A little awareness can save you from big trouble. With another tip, see you in the next episode.